back to my channel. It's Carmen J. If you have not, please hit the If you have not yet, please hit the subscribe button below. Don't forget to like and comment. For today's video, I have an apartment tour. So I moved into this apartment about 2 months ago, and I absolutely love it. I know in my update video for my 1 month whatever, I was like, I'm probably not going to move, but I was really depressed in my last apartment. It was just not for me. So I went to Facebook Marketplace, saw this apartment, messaged the landlord, and boom, I'm here. The specs are going to be in the video about rent, location. I did get this apartment fully furnished, so that's good. And yeah, I didn't do a lot of decorating because I'm only here for like 9 months, actually less than 9 months, so I didn't do a lot, but I wanted to show you guys what my apartment is here in Ecuador. So I hope that you enjoy this video. Tell me what you think, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Enjoy. Welcome to my bedroom. My favorite spot is that window, beautiful view. So I don't have a lot of closet space, but it's enough for what I have. And this is where the magic happens. All of my makeup, hair, and perfume all in this closet, and this is where I do my makeup. Hey guys! So my living room is a little underwhelming, but I love it. It's quaint. I sometimes sit there, read a book, do some work on my computer. It's just for me. So I think I have the cutest kitchen. I bought these red racks as like a pantry, and I also have to buy the blue drying rack for my dishes. But I think I have the cutest kitchen. It's great for entertaining, and it goes right into the living room. So that's it for my video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.